Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Slack app automation with Zapier, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Slack app automation with Zapier, start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button on your dashboard. You'll be directed to a new page where you can choose a trigger app. In the search bar, type Slack and select it from the list. Next, choose the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new message posted to channel. After selecting the trigger, click Continue. Now, you'll need to connect your Slack account. Click on Sign in to Slack and authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. Once connected, choose the specific channel where you want the trigger to operate. Click Continue again to proceed. Next, it's time to test your trigger. Click on Test Trigger to ensure everything is working correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue to move to the action step. Now, search for the app you want to connect to Slack, for example, Google Sheets. Select the desired action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue to connect your Google Sheets account. Authorize Zapier to access your Google Sheets account if prompted. Next, choose the Google Sheets file you want to use. After selecting the file, you will have the option to map data from Slack messages to specific columns in your spreadsheet. Fill in the fields with the corresponding data you want to capture. Once you've mapped everything, click Continue. Now it's time to test the action you just set up. Click on Test and Continue to see if the data is sent to Google Sheets correctly. If the test is successful, you will see a confirmation that your Zap works. Finally, give your Zap a name at the top of the screen. When you're ready, turn on your Zap by toggling the switch in the top right corner. Your Slack app automation is now set up and will run according to the triggers you defined. You can always come back to edit your Zap or create new automations from your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.